did the individuals, as you guys can see. And as I said, I try to make them look as natural as possible. So I'll take my ponytail down, or my bun down, so you guys can actually see what we're dealing with here. And I was gonna take it out to show you guys how I put the hair in, but there's so out. I'm not gonna take it out, but what I did, I braided the roots of my hair, like maybe down a few, like down to here, and then I braided it, and then I put the crochet needle through the root of the hair. I hooked on the Marley hair, pulled it through, I opened the loop, and then I pulled the braid and the Marley hair through, or the locks, sorry, through the hole, and then I pulled. And then after that, the only thing I really did was take, with this one I can probably show you guys because it's kind of coming out in the front here. So I'm gonna unravel it, bring you guys a little bit closer, and show you guys what I did. back and like fixed anything, because as I said, like, they're dreadlocks, and for me, I notice like when my hair gets like messy or like frizzy, I would say, it begins to look a lot more effortless, and I really just don't care. I think it suits my face. That's why before I did box braids, I used to do Marley twist a lot, because they suit my face. Like, these are like super neat and super natural in my opinion, and it looks like it's legit growing out of my scalp. I'm obsessed with this hairstyle. I kind of want to do it again. I have 1 pack of hair left, so I might go pick up like 3 more packs. These are pretty dope. They're pretty dope. I like them. I think I did a pretty good job. You know, this year we said trying to save you some money, learn to do your hair yourself, become your own boss, you know what I'm saying? Invest in yourself. Just, I'm not saying it's, you know, like wrong to support other people or support friends, but what about you? Why can't you invest in yourself? So that's what I did. I'm like, you know what? I've been wanting faux locks and I've been asking people to do it for me, and I'm like, why not just watch a tutorial on YouTube and do it yourself? And that is what I did, and they came out pretty bomb. I love them, my boyfriend loves them, and my mom loves them. As I said, the only downside to this hair is it kind of sticking to each other, but besides that, it's easy to style. I feel like it's easier to style with the individual faux locks than the ones where you cornrow your hair back. And I guess maybe next time I'll try to just cornrow a small section in the middle of my head and then do individuals around. And if you're gonna do the individual method, I would recommend single braiding and not twisting, because when you twist, it's easier for the lock to fall out, or the crocheted hair, whatever you have, it's easier for it to slide out. Especially my hair isn't like really thick and coily for it to kind of hold on to. It's very silky, so I find that my hair is sliding off, or the lock is sliding off my hair. Like last night or this morning, I took one down and one of the ones that I twisted in the back slid out, so I braided it back, and it's super tight. Like, you could pull it, that bitch not going nowhere. I mainly wear my hair down. When I tie it at night, I tie it in the middle part, because I want the hair to like be flat. But most of the time, like, I'll do this, or kind of like just effortlessly wear my hair, or as you saw in the beginning of the video, I just throw it up in a bun and I kind of just go. But this is pretty much it for a video on about my faux locks kind of thing. Let me know if I should film a tutorial next time I do it or something. As I said, like, I was very hesitant on filming myself while I was doing it, because I was getting frustrated when I couldn't grip the hair good and stuff like that, and it was just a lot of trial and error, and I just felt like the time of day I was trying to get it done wasn't the greatest. So it was like very all over the place, and I just wasn't here for it.